Hi guys, I'm Mike Garner, your local Telford estate agent, and today you join me outside this 4-bed detached with garage. We're in Lawley, very close to the M54 motorway, very close to the local amenities in Telford Town Centre. This one has been looked after really well. We've even got 2 en-suites and a bathroom. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around, see what this one's all about. Follow me. Okay guys, so you've had a chance to look around this beautiful 4-bed house in Lawley, and I do hope you agree it's been looked after really well. It's in a great quiet location with close to local amenities and Telford Town Centre, as well as the M54 motorway. So if you are interested in arranging a viewing on this one, please reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or you can contact me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me. I'll see you on the next video. See you soon.